Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you guys how to professionally upload your videos on Facebook. Okay, so what you need to do is to open up your browser. All right, so when you go to your browser, the next thing you want to do is to switch your browser to a desktop side view. All right, so after you have switched your browser to a desktop side view, the next thing you do is to log your Facebook account through the browser. All right, you can do this on your laptop and your mobile phone. All right, after you have logged into your account, the next thing you want to do is to type in business.facebook.com. All right, so when you type in business.facebook.com, it will take you straight to Business Suite website. All right, it will take you to the business website. So now I have to switch my browser to a desktop site so I can be able to see everything. All right, so when it takes you to the Business Suite website, your page will automatically open, and then this is how it will look like. All right, so this is where you can see everything about your page. So the next thing you want to do is to tap on create post. Okay, so go ahead and click on create post. So after you have clicked on create post, it will take you to this section. All right, so the next thing you want to do from here is to zoom out your screen and then tap on add video, and then click on upload from desktop, and then now you go to choose where your video is. So I'll click on open photo library. Okay, so here I'm going to choose the video I want to upload. So here is the video. I'm going to tap on done. So you got to wait for some seconds for the video to load. All right, so just wait for some seconds for the video to load. So after the video has been loaded, the next thing you do from here is to start to input the title and description. Right, so from here you go to see the video uploading. You can see that counting. All right, so here you go to put in the post details. All right, so from here I'm gonna type in the title. Right, so this is it. So the next is to add a description. So after you have added the title and the description, the next thing you want to do is to scroll down a bit and then add a thumbnail to your video. Okay, so you can just go ahead and tap on choose frame. Okay, or you go ahead and tap on upload image. Okay, any of these, and then the next thing you want to do is to click on upload image if you already designed your thumbnail. Okay, so here is the thumbnail. I'm going to click on done. So here I have added a thumbnail to the video, and you guys can see that the video has already uploaded. It's up to 100%, and then the next thing you want to do is to zoom out, and then from the bottom here you go to find next. Okay, so the next thing you want to do after putting the title and description, the next thing you want to do is to tap on next, and then you can see it's already highlighted as it has ticked green, showing that we have filled some necessary information on the video. Okay, so here is optimization. Okay, so you can decide if you want to you can decide if you want to add auto captions to the video. Okay, and then here you can also choose video optimizations. If you like, you can turn that on, but I don't want to turn it on for now. So if your page is monetized, this is what we show. So you can turn on monetization from here. All right, so but if you're not monetized, you're not going to see the monetization tools button turned on. Okay, so after checking this side, the next thing you want to do is to zoom out and then click on next button from the bottom. Okay, so this is the final step. Here you got to make sure all these settings that are here are okay, and then from here you can also discover if your video has a copyright issue. So you can see copyright content was not dictated in your video. So from here you can also dictate if your video carries a copyright part or a copyright article. All right, so You can see I have no copyright issue on this video. So the next thing I'm going to do is to zoom out my screen. I think everything is set proper. So now I got to just zoom out, and then here I got to tap on share. All right, I think everything is proper. Okay, so after you shake very well, the next thing you want to do is to tap on share. Okay, so here it says publishing your posts. This may take a moment. Okay, so just have to wait. Okay, so now it says video post processing. Okay, from here you could just tap on done. Okay, so after you have tapped on done, so here you go to find your video processing. So this processing might take some while, okay, but you can still minimize that of the browser. Then whenever it's done processing, it will automatically post. Okay, so that is how to professionally upload videos on Facebook. Okay, that's how to professionally upload videos on Facebook. So if you have any question, you can always drop that in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe, follow my page for more important videos. Okay guys, peace out.